Hello everyone, Mr. Shepherd here again with some maths, and our work for today is calculate change. Okay, so let's have a look. Alright, we're in the supermarket and we've bought an apple for 7p. Okay, now we've used 10p to pay for the apple. Now these are just here because this is to show you what your change could be from a 10p. Okay, so these are the coins that exist under 10p. So we've got our 5p, our 2p, and our 1p. They're the only coins that there are under 10p. Okay, so we know if we're going to buy something with 10p, then our change is going to be made up of these coins. It can't be anything else. All right, so no matter what change we get, it's got to be made up of these. Now, if I've spent 7p, how much left will I have from 10p? Okay, let's have a look at our hint. Okay, try counting up from 7 to 10. Okay, so we know we've spent 7p out of the 10p. If we count up, we'll know how much we've got left. So 7p, 8p, 9p, 10p. So we've got 3p left, haven't we? So how is that going to look? What change are we going to get to make up 3p? Okay, 3p. Have a think. See if you know before I get the answer. Let's have a look. Okay, 2p and 1p to make 3p. Okay, so 2, 3. Now it says, can you think of any other way to make 3p? Well, if we had 3 1 pennies, we would have 3p, wouldn't we? So that's the other way we could have got 3p change. We could have got 3 1p pieces. Okay, let's have a look at the next one. All right, this time we've bought a train for 4p. Okay, again, we're paying with 10p, and our change has got to be made up of these 3 coins, doesn't it? That's the only option. Let's see what our hint is. This time it says, try taking 4 away from 10. Right, so let's have 10 in our heads and then take away 4. 9, 8, 7, 6. All right, so now it's going to be 6p. Now, which coins could make up 6p? Well, we could have the 5p and the 1p would be the easiest way, wouldn't it? That'd be the least amount of coins. So the 5p and the 1p, that's probably what our checkout lady would give us. Let's see if we get that answer. Okay, we got 5p and a 1p. Now, are there any other ways that we could make up 6p out of these coins? Yes, we could have 3 2p pieces, couldn't we? 2, 4, 6. Okay, we could have 6 individual 1p's. Okay, but rather than do that, when the shop assistant gives us our change back, she'll probably give us the least amount of coins because we don't really want a pocket full of 1p coins. So she's going to give us a 5p, okay, and the 1p. Let's have a look at our next question. Right, this time buying a t-shirt for 5p. Again, we're paying with our 10p piece. How much is our change going to be? Let's have a look at our hint. Use your knowledge of halves to solve this one. What is half of 10? Okay, so we know that we've got 2 5s in 10, haven't we? We've got 5 and 5 make 10. So half of 10 is going to be 5. Okay, so let's have a look. What are we going to make up our 5p with? Well, we've got a 5p piece, okay, so that seems like the most obvious option. Now, can you think of another way to make 5p? Yes, we could have 2 2p's and a 1p, or we could have 5 individual 1p's. Let's have a look at the next one. We've got 2p, okay, a ruler for 2p. Now we're paying with a 10p piece. Let's have a look at our hint. Try taking away 2 from 10, okay? So hold 10 in your head, 9, 8, okay? So it's going to be 8p change, all right? So how can we make up 8p with these coins? Well, we can have 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so let's have a look at that. And there are our coins. Okay, that's our change. So your change is always usually going to be made up of the least amount of coins that you could have. Could you make 8p another way? Yes, you could have 2, 4, 6, 8. You could have 4 2p coins. Okay. Or again, you could have 8 individual 1p coins. Right, now have a think of this next one for yourself. How would we do this? We're buying a pencil for 1p. Okay. We're paying with a 10p piece. What do we need to do? Okay. Let's have a look at our hint. Take away the 1 from 10. Okay. 10, 9. Okay. How do we make up 9p with these coins? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we'd have 2 2p pieces and the 5p piece. Let's have a look at our answer. 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Can we think of another way to make 9p? Well, we could have individual 1p pieces. We could have 2, 4, 6, 8 and 1p piece. Okay. There's different ways that we could do it. All right. But just remembering that under 10p, you've only got these 3 options for coins. So anything that your change comes to has got to be made up with these 3 coins, one way or another. Okay. Right, we've got I don't know what that is, some sort of block for 3p. Okay. How much is that going to cost us? How much change is that going to be then? So we're going to start with our 10p, and then we go 9, 8, 7p left. Okay. 7p change. All right. How is our 7p going to be made up? Have a quick look. Okay. Let's see the answer. Oh, our hint is to take away 3p from 10, which we've done. Our answer is 7p, okay? 5, 6, 7. That's the easiest way of making 7p with these 3 coins. Can we do it another way? Yes, we can have 3 2p pieces. That'll be 2, 4, 6, and then we have the 1 for our 7. Okay. What have we got now? A ball for 6p. Okay, we're paying with our 10p piece. How much change are we going to have? Let's see the hint. How many more is it from 6 up to 10? Let's hold 6 in our heads. 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. How is that change going to be made up? Okay, we've got 4p. How can we make 4p out of these coins? Okay, let's have a think. Let's look at our answer. Okay, 2 2p pieces. Okay, is there another way we could have individual 1p pieces? Okay, we've got 9p. How much change are we going to get this time? Out of 10 pence. Okay, let's have a look at our hint. How many more is it from 9 to 10? 9, 10. We're going to have 1p. Can we make the change up any other way? No, we can't, can we? 1p is the smallest we can go, so we can only have a 1p piece. That's our only option. Okay. All right. If you go and have a look at your worksheets now and have a go at that, and then come back and we'll have a look at the plenary. Okay. Cheers.